You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. This is a word from anatomy, medical term. If you want to learn more like this, stay tuned. I've got more videos to suggest. The small vesicle. There are different pronunciations in English, I'm afraid, so if you're confused, well, that's probably why. Phlyctenule with a stress on the first syllable and the flex syllable, and yes, the PH is pronounced like an F, phlyctenule, but it can also be pronounced, it's also a correct pronunciation to say it as phlyctenule or phlyctenule. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.